This is the fourth book of the What Would Do series that I started in 2023 with volumes by W. Edwards Deming, of quotes by W. Edwards Deming and Peter Drucker. Now the fourth volume has arrived. What would Ernst Weichselbaum do? This is a premiere because so far no other book of Ernst Weichselbaum has been published in English. So this is a premiere. Nobody has read this stuff in English. I had to I had to translate everything from scratch. This is a beautiful little book, 188 pages, with all the foundations of the Weichselbaum system. Exciting material for everyone who's interested in better organizing, in beta organizing, in decentralization, in time orientation. You will find all the clues here. What would Ernst Weichselbaum do? Now available in ebook format and in print. In this little version. Get your copy now.